Hey, what's up, y'all? Wall Ball 2021 virtual edition. I haven't done this in years. I used to do wall ball back in the day, but one thing I always did with wall ball was I would try to do some kind of unique painting. Like one year I built a wrestling ring that my kids wrestled on, and then I painted it live. But here we are today, and I don't know if you're familiar with pendulum paintings. It's hot right now, as the cool kids say, but I want to do one, but I want to do my own take. So I'm big into doing these stenciled patterns. So I'm going to first stencil a pattern and then, pour some paint on it, see what happens. So let's go. All right, I'm going to do my pendulum painting right now. I got the pattern done. If you look behind me, flip this around. Here goes nothing, y'all. All right, so I went a little crazy. I want to add a little more of the pattern back in, and obviously dot it with my signature eye in the middle. And then just add a little more paint to it, and I think we're good. All right, so there we go.